Alright, so we're here at the roof vent on the third building going east. Alright, so it's kind of the same thing, transitioning into the cast iron here. The same condition, a little bit more scaling, a little bit more trenching on the bottom of the line. Definitely a little bit worse condition, as you can see how bumpy it is on the bottom there. That's just kind of an indication that it's reaching like the very end of its life cycle. So, I would say you'd probably be expecting to replace this in the next couple of years, if not sooner. You can kind of see how it's pancaking right here. This just means that the line is starting to give out on the bottom. So honestly, I would probably look into replacing this in the very, very near future. Looks like we transitioned into another cast iron line. It does have a lot of standing water in it here. So we're just going to keep pushing until we can get out of this standing water. Alright, still about half the line is full of water, so we're just going to keep pushing until it either stops or until we get out of the water here. So you can kind of see so the top of the line is actually the bottom of the sewer right now. Or the top of the screen, I apologize. But you can kind of see like the rocks and different debris. I just think that this cast iron line is just giving out. Either that or there's just not proper grade on it, and that's why it's holding water like this. But the fact that there's a lot of like rock and dirt debris in the line is also questionable. That makes me think that it could be from it like collapsing or having that sort of problem. So I'm just going to keep pushing as far as we can. So as you can see, the condition of this line is just very, very poor. It's not letting me push any further. So we are going to go ahead and come back now. Didn't see any septic or anything like that. We're going back underwater here, so probably not going to see much. But just very, very poor condition cast iron line. A lot of scaling and a lot of buildup and a lot of trenching where this water is holding. Alright, so we'll just continue back here. It's pretty significant trenching there. And then kind of back into this flatter section that's underneath the house here. So I'm just going to go ahead and back the camera out since we have seen all of this. And then we'll go ahead and stop the video and then jump over to the last and final building and see what we find there.